Hello friends, welcome to my channel DataMaking. In this video I am going to discuss about component called Apache Hive. Apache Hive is one of the component in Hadoop ecosystem. It's a widely used component. Okay, so we'll understand why Apache Hive is needed. Apache Hive is a data warehousing software, facilitates reading, writing, managing large data set residing in a distributed storage using a SQL language, structure query language. So Hive provides new structure query language called SQL Hive query language. Okay, so when you have a structured data in HDFS, you can actually provide a structure to your data, and then you can start using the query language to do analysis on your data set. Okay, so that is the reason the Hive is introduced. Hive is developed by a company called Facebook. Okay, so they started using a Hive component for doing a large data analysis. Okay, so what happens in Hive is, so whenever you create a, say example, you store a data in HDFS, say you store a customer details. Okay, so when you store a customer details in HDFS as a file system, can be a CSV file format or any other file format. So you can actually create a you can give a structure, means you can create a table for the schema or the columns which is similar to your data in HDFS. Okay, and then you can start using the SQL to do the analysis. So when you run the query, okay, so when you run a query on to run a query on Hive, we have three different way you can run a query. One is using Hive CLI. Okay, another is JDBC's using the JDBC driver. You can actually run the queries on Hive, and third way is using a web UIs. Okay, so when you run that, okay, your Hive query, okay, Hive QL, okay, so Hive query language actually gets parsed and it is converted into MapReduce job, and it will be executed on your data set, okay, on HDFS. Then it will give the result, okay, as a table format. So the main use of Hive is we want to actually visualize our data in a rows and columns in a tabular format, right? So that's a main advantage Hive gives. Okay, so Hive command line tool and JDBC drivers basically provides you to users to connect to the Hive environment. Okay, so why Hive is a powerful? Because Hive makes MapReduce easy, so we don't need to write a MapReduce job. Okay, so in the previous videos we saw how to save data in HDFS and do the processing, distributed processing using MapReduce, but it is little bit difficult for non-Java programmers or non-Java. But people who are good at a query language, SQL query language, so the Hive is very helpful. You don't need to write a MapReduce job. Then it is easy to implement joins, different types of joins in Hive. Okay, so you have all traditional joins, and apart from traditional join, you have map site join, reduce site join, and bucket join. There are many joins available. Okay, then it actually provides a new way of structuring your data in terms of partitioning, using the concept called partitioning and bucketing. So we'll discuss more details in the coming up videos. Okay, and Hive provides a different file format, supports a different file format to use in your Hive tables. Okay, so then it actually supports schema on read. That means when you query the data using the SQL, the HiveQL, then only it will go on based on the structure, it will go on to read the data. So while loading, it will actually not loading or writing, it will not refer the schema. Okay, that's what it's meant for. So it's one of the top project in Apache Foundation. This Apache Hive is one of the top project. Okay, so next video we'll start with the installation of Hive. Okay, so I will stop this video until this. Okay, we'll start the installation in the next video. Thank you so much friends. See you in the next video.